Hi there! The zero-touch approach is a really easy and user-friendly two-factor authentication method designed so that you can log into your devices fast, secure, and hassle-free. Zero-touch authentication works by verifying the proximity of your mobile device and the device in which you're logging in by using ambient noise around you and ultrasound technology. This protects your account from hackers, allowing you to securely authenticate with your phone by just having it nearby. The login process remains the same with you entering your username and password. After you click on the login button, Futurae will automatically check the proximity of your devices and securely authenticate your identity. It only takes a few seconds. Secure two-factor authentication has never been easier.